Hey everyone, in today's video, I want to show you how to use Memojis. I'm going to show you how to create these from scratch, and I'm going to show you how to send it in your message. To make sure this option is activated on your phone, go to the Settings app on your iPhone, and you do have to have iOS 12 or later installed. If you do, if you come all the way over here to the General tab, click that, and you should have a keyboard option right here towards the bottom of the page. Press keyboard, and on the very bottom of that, you want to make sure Memoji stickers is activated here. Once it's activated and the slider looks green, you're ready to jump into your messages and create your Memoji. You'll have to go to your Messages app on your phone the same way you send a text message to create them. So click on your messages, and on your messages you could pick the person you want to send a Memoji to, or just press the text icon to create a new text here on the top right. And here you choose the Animoji icon here, press that, and it's gonna take you to this page where you could go ahead and create a Memoji. Now Animojis are these other characters here. You could also choose these as well, but I'm gonna show you how to create a Memoji, which is using your likeness here, and you could create it from scratch. So right here, we're gonna do new Memoji, press plus on it, and then you could go ahead and customize your character here and then use it as your Memoji. And you could have multiple Memojis here. So here I'm gonna create a second one. So you could go ahead and pick your skin tone, choose freckles, and then just go through all these options here, and you have hairstyle here. So you could choose your hairstyle. Then you could alter your eyebrow, change the color, the eyes, and then choose your age, the shape right here, your nose, your mouth. So go through all these options. There's quite a bit here that you could choose from. And you could also wear a hat, for example. And you could always change colors here with the slider if you like. And then when you're all set, just go ahead and press done. Now, as you could see on the bottom here, I have two different ones selected here. And then here, if I press the record option here, it's actually using the front-facing camera here on my iPhone, and it's reading what I'm saying, and it's gonna record the sound and this animation here. And when I'm done, I could press stop, and then now I could send it to someone here by pressing the up arrow, or if I press delete, I could record it one more time. And I could jump around and do this with different characters as well. I don't have to only use my Memoji, I could use these Animojis as well and combine them in my text message. But you do have to do this one at a time. So if I wanted to record a different one, I'll have to go to a different one, and I'll press the record option, and it'll record it for me here, and I'll press stop. At any time, you could press the three dots here, and you could edit or duplicate or delete your Memoji as well. And they don't have to have iMessage to get this. If they don't, they'll just receive this in the form of a video. You can also press the camera icon right here instead of going to the Memoji icon. And on this page, you could either choose photo if you want to take a photo, or video. In this case, I want to do video. And then pick the star option, pick the Memoji that you want, and then it will overlay on your head just like that. You could also pick any Animoji here you want as well. And then when you're set, you could just press X. Once you make your selection, press X, and now you could start recording it just like that. It's recording what I'm saying, and when I'm done, I'm gonna press stop. I could press edit here to bring me to this page where I could make any changes to it, like changing the color and trimming my clip here if I wanted to make it longer or shorter, and then I could press done. And then I could press the arrow and send it to someone just like that. And once you do send it, you could always hold down right here, and then you could go ahead and save it or copy it. So if you save it, it's gonna save it to your video or photo library. And that's how you use Memoji on iOS 12 or later. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for easy to follow social media and tech videos, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.